181 pieces of evidence at sinasabi nila libo-libo. This is a case of crimes against humanity. So, kung meron ka lang 181 pieces of evidence, does that show a crime against humanity? Kasi kaya nga sinasabi ko sabi ko, naging kaso ba ito dahil sa atake lang ng media? Dahil laging paulit-ulit ng media yon, ilang taon. War on drugs, thousands killed. War on drugs, 30,000 killed. And yet, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ICC and there's just 181 pieces of evidence. So, nasaan na ang 30,000 pieces of evidence? This is not a case for the ICC. This was not even, these were not even cases in the Philippines. Not a single case. So, parang ang pakiramdam ko, naging kaso siya dahil sa portrayal ng media sa war on drugs. And that was just the title noong trabaho ng gobyerno na pugsain ang illegal na droga sa loob ng kanyang bayan. Parang hindi siya makatapuan sa 80 years old na tao.